Hi, everyone. Welcome to Learnivo, your friendly space to practice natural English for the IELTS speaking test. Today, we're going to talk about something everyone loves, food. Food is more than just what we eat. It's a part of who we are. It connects families, cultures, and memories. In this practice, you'll hear real IELTS-style questions and sample answers that will help you speak naturally and confidently in the test. So let's get started and explore today's topic. Food.
Good morning.
Good morning.
My name is Daniel, and I'll be your examiner today. Could you please tell me your full name?
My name is Alice Smith.
Thank you. And may I see your identification, please?
Sure, here it is.
Thank you. That's fine. Now, in this first part, I'd like to ask you a few questions about food. Do you like cooking?
Yes, I do. Cooking is one of the most enjoyable parts of my day. It helps me relax after work and gives me a sense of creativity. I love trying new recipes, experimenting with flavors, and turning simple ingredients into something delicious. Cooking also brings people together. It's such a rewarding feeling when others enjoy what I've made.
How often do you cook?
I cook almost every day. During weekdays, I prepare quick and healthy meals like grilled chicken, salads, or stir-fried vegetables. But on weekends, I take my time and try more complicated dishes or bake desserts. Cooking has become part of my daily routine, and I really miss it when I eat out too often.
What kinds of food do you like the most?
I really enjoy Mediterranean and Asian food. Mediterranean food is full of fresh ingredients like olive oil, fish, and vegetables. It always feels light and healthy. On the other hand, Asian cuisine is incredibly flavorful. I love Thai curries, sushi, and noodles. I think each culture's food tells a story about their lifestyle and traditions.
What's your favorite meal of the day?
My favorite meal is breakfast. I like the calm atmosphere in the morning and the chance to start my day with something energizing. Usually, I have eggs, toast, fruit, and coffee. When I have more time, I might make pancakes or an omelet. Breakfast always puts me in a good mood.
Do you prefer eating at home or in a restaurant?
It depends on the situation. Eating at home feels cozy and personal. I can eat comfortably in my own space and cook exactly what I want. But going to restaurants is exciting too. It's a nice way to try new dishes, spend time with friends, and enjoy a different atmosphere.
What's your favorite restaurant?
There's a small local restaurant near my home that I absolutely love. The staff are friendly, the food tastes fresh, and they always use local ingredients. I like that it's not fancy, but has a warm, welcoming vibe. It's the kind of place where they remember your name and your favorite dish.
Do you like trying new kinds of food?
Yes, absolutely. I'm quite adventurous when it comes to food. I love discovering new tastes, spices, and textures. Whenever I travel to a new place, I always make sure to try local dishes. Even if I don't like something, it's still an interesting experience. I think food is one of the best ways to explore a new culture.
Have your eating habits changed compared to the past?
Yes, they've changed a lot. When I was younger, I didn't think much about nutrition. I often ate fast food or snacks without worrying. Now, I try to eat more balanced meals and drink plenty of water. I've learned that healthy eating really affects how you feel and how much energy you have.
Do you think you eat healthy food?
Most of the time, yes. I try to cook with fresh vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. Of course, I still enjoy pizza or ice cream once in a while, but I believe it's all about balance. I don't follow strict diets, but I pay attention to portions and ingredients.
What kind of food is popular in your country?
I'd say people here love a mix of traditional and international food. You can easily find Italian, Chinese, or Mexican restaurants everywhere. At the same time, homemade dishes like roasted meat, soups, and fresh bread are still very common. The food scene keeps changing because people are becoming more open to global flavors.
Do you like fast food?
To be honest, I like it occasionally. It's quick, cheap, and sometimes convenient when I'm in a rush. But I try not to eat it too often because it's high in fat and sugar. I prefer homemade burgers or wraps because I can control what goes into them.
Do you usually eat out or cook at home?
I mostly cook at home. It's healthier and also cheaper in the long run. I like knowing exactly what's in my food, and cooking at home gives me that control. Eating out is more of a weekend treat when I want to relax and enjoy time with friends.
What's your favorite traditional dish?
That's a tough one, but I'd say roast chicken with vegetables is one of my favorites. It's simple, but full of flavor. It reminds me of family dinners growing up. I also enjoy homemade soups during winter. They're warm, comforting, and healthy.
Do you like spicy food?
Yes, I do, but only moderately spicy. I love how a bit of spice enhances the flavor of food. Dishes like curry or spicy noodles are my go-to comfort meals. However, if it's too hot, I can't really taste anything except the chili.
Do you prefer sweet or salty snacks?
I used to love sweet snacks like chocolate or cookies, but lately I prefer salty ones. Things like popcorn or roasted nuts are my favorites. They're crunchy and satisfying, especially when I'm watching a movie or working.
Who usually cooks in your family?
Growing up, my mother did most of the cooking, and she taught me a lot. But nowadays, everyone in my family enjoys cooking. When we get together, we all help out. Someone makes the main dish, someone handles dessert, and someone sets the table. It's fun and brings us closer as a family.
Do you like eating alone or with others?
I definitely prefer eating with others. Sharing a meal feels warmer and more enjoyable. It's not just about food, it's about conversation, laughter, and connection. Eating alone is fine sometimes, but I think food always tastes better when you share it.
Have you ever tried foreign food that you didn't like?
Yes. Once I tried a very unusual seafood dish while traveling, and honestly, I couldn't finish it. The texture and flavor were just too strange for me. But I don't regret it. It's good to step out of your comfort zone and experience different cuisines.
Do you think people today eat healthier than in the past?
I think in some ways, yes. People are more aware of nutrition, calories, and organic food now. But at the same time, many people still eat too much fast food because of their busy lives. So, it's a mix. We know more about healthy eating, but not everyone practices it.
What kind of food would you like to learn to cook in the future?
I'd love to learn how to make authentic Asian dishes, especially sushi and Thai curries. They look complicated, but I find the balance of flavors fascinating. Learning to cook more international dishes would be a fun way to experience other cultures without leaving home.
That's the end of today's IELTS speaking practice on food. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you practiced along and picked up some natural expressions to describe your food habits and preferences fluently. If you enjoyed this session, make sure to subscribe to Learnivo on YouTube, like this video, and share it with your friends preparing for IELTS. Keep practicing every day, and I'll see you in the next session.